I'm on the road, shocking. I am filling up gas and getting Starbucks, and I am on the road again today. I'm heading down to Cincinnati, so I'm going down through Beaver Creek, then I'm going to go down to Cincinnati, visit my stores down there. And along the way, if I see anything cool, I'm actually trying out the ZS100 today. It's a point and shoot that's in our lineup. I wanted to get some camera time behind it, so figure between, the drive, I can stop in Columbus if need be. I just want to get some frames through this camera so I can try out all the different features, because if I can understand it better, then I can recommend it to, our customers or help our sales staff kind of understand the differences in the brand. Let's go. So I'm learning this product line, and there's a lot of awesome products on it, but I wanted to put something together where you can kind of figure out what exactly all the different letters mean. So we have the FZ, we have all the different models, the G series, and stuff like that. So I wanted to explain it to you. Hello everybody. 3 states and several camera stores could not stop me from making this video. I wanted to talk a little bit today about the Panasonic line. So we have an extensive line of cameras. I think there is a camera for everyone, in that if you want a super long zoom, you want a compact point and shoot, you want a camera that can do great video, great photo, we have a camera for everyone, in my honest opinion. This is not the opinion of Panasonic, this is 100% my opinion. That being said, I want to go through all the different naming schemes that we have. So I want to start off with the very beginning. So you'll see on our cameras we have DSC and DVC. That stands for digital still camera and digital video camera. So when you see that on the model, that's what it stands for. So moving on from there, you'll see something like the, let's say the DSC G85, let's say. So what that is saying is G is our still line. So that is our line of cameras that is for still photographers. They have great 4K video, they have all those things, but it's a line for the still photographer. On the other end, we have our GH line, so the GH3, GH4, GH5, those are all cameras that are really good for video. They take amazing still photos, in my opinion, but they're all used for video. So from there we have the GX line. So what I want you to think of, there's that X in the name. And what in my head, this is what I think. I think we X'd off the top. So you have your traditional DSLR with a little bump in the middle. Think of Xing that off, and it's a rangefinder. It's a flat top design. That's the rangefinder style camera. So your GX8, for example, that's gonna be a rangefinder style camera. From there we have our zoom cameras, our kind of bridge cameras. So FZ, say 2500, in your head, think of fun zoom. This is a fun zoom camera, because we have that extensive zoom on some of that in that line. I just think of it as a fun zoom. Zoom makes me think of that, the lenses that are on the FZ line. From there we have our point and shoots. So LX, the LX line, the LX10, the LX100, think of LX, think of Lux, think of luxury. This is a really nice, more high-end camera, from sensor size to, all the features of the LX line. Think of LX for luxury. And finally, we have our ZS line, so the ZS70, ZS100, those, think of Z, they have Z in the name. Think of, I want to travel from A to Z. So I want to travel from A to Z. This is a great travel camera. This is a camera that you're going to put in your bag and go out and explore. It's a point and shoot camera, but A to Z. I want to travel from A to Z. That's going to automatically make you think of Z, travel. I want to travel from A to Z. I really hope this video helped you. These are just the things that, I'm kind of looking at and making weird things in my head, so I know the product line inside and out, and hopefully they'll help you. So as you're looking online, or you're in the store, you'll know what the product line means. And that's, again, this is my opinion, this is what I think, it's what's helping me make sense of the product line, and hopefully it'll help you. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out in the comments below or reach out to me directly. Thank you, and have a good day. See ya!